Hello and welcome to the Gentle Manual. Topic for today is free and cheap studying in Europe. Studying abroad is a fantastic opportunity for personal and academic growth, but it can also be expensive. In this video, we will provide tips and tricks for international students who want to study in Europe without breaking the bank. Tip 1. Research the Erasmus Plus program. The Erasmus Plus program is a European Union initiative that offers exchange programs for students and professionals. Participating countries include all EU member states, as well as Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. To participate, you will need to be enrolled in a higher education institution in one of the participating countries. The Erasmus Plus program covers tuition fees and provides a monthly allowance to cover living expenses. To find out if your institution participates, you can contact your Student Services Office, or search the Erasmus Plus website. Tip 2. Consider free tuition. Universities. Some countries in Europe, such as Germany, Norway, and Sweden, offer free tuition for both domestic and international students. This means that you will only have to cover your living expenses, which can be significantly lower than tuition fees. To find out which countries offer free tuition and which universities participate, you can research online or contact the universities directly. Tip 3. Apply for scholarships. There are various organizations and foundations that offer scholarships for international students to study in Europe. You can search for scholarships specifically for your country of origin or for your field of study. To increase your chances of being accepted, make sure to apply well in advance and follow the application guidelines closely. Tip 4. Consider research opportunities. Many universities in Europe offer research opportunities for students and offer stipends to cover living expenses. To find out if your university offers such opportunities, you can contact the research office or search the university website. Tip 5. Work while studying. Some countries in Europe allow students to work while they study, which can help offset the cost of living. To find out if your country allows this and what the requirements are, you can research online or contact the local embassy. Studying in Europe for free is possible with the right research and preparation. Consider the Erasmus Plus program, free tuition universities, scholarships, research opportunities, and working while studying to make your dreams a reality. Good luck and happy studying. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content.